don't know if we mentioned it, but Grace is actually selling the chicks that she hatched. You excited about that? And the buyer is here, and it's someone I met through Instagram, or maybe it was YouTube, but we actually have people in common that we know, which is kind of fun. And so I feel really comfortable her just coming to my house. Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
Thanks for coming all the way out here to pick the chicks up.
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited? This is like your first legit money-making adventure, huh?
Unfortunately, these guys probably don't.
Yeah, do you want to show her? These were the other two that didn't hatch.
Most likely Dad's going to do on video what's inside them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty sure there's chicks in there because we saw at least one of them moving and trying to hatch, and it never did.
Oh.
Because we opened the incubator.
That could be it, or it could just be...
The one that I sprayed, that one was a little jammed. So
okay. So it could be that, or it could
Sometimes
just be...
they just don't open, I think.
Yeah, it just happens.
Yeah.
And from what we've read, you're not supposed to help chicks hatch. Like, you're just not supposed to do it.
If they don't hatch, and you
They're
help
just
them,
not strong enough.
They're gonna die.
Yeah, they're not very strong.
Yeah.
That's an amazing incubator. Is this the first time you've used it?
Do you want to see the chicks?
I would love to see them. Yeah, can you show me?
Okay. They're in their bedroom. I mean, I guess technically they could be because there is a silky cross rooster down there.
Okay.
But I think there'll be brown egg layers and olive eggers.
These two are the ones that were probably olive.
Oh. Is there a special way that you should hold them? Or can you just hold them in your hand like this?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, they really like when you hold them against your chest.
Do they? So they feel...
They love this.
Because it feels probably a bit like they're with...
You want to show him one, Julie?
Watch, yeah, watch what he does.
He tries to eat it.
He's like, oh. Okay, he's trying.
Are you saying hi?
Sometimes he goes.
He usually tries to eat
Are
them.
you trying to eat them?
Look.
Oh.
Are you trying to eat them? Hi. He's so excited.
This one's my favorite. It's the only one with just a little bit on its head.
Oh, yes.
The way you tell the difference is this one has lots, and then if you look right here, this one has a little dot.
Oh, yeah.
One of my favorite things is children first seeing animals, or especially baby animals.
Mm-hmm. The first time.
When they're babies.
Yeah. We are going to head out and take the goats on a walk. She has Nigerians, but she's interested in Nubians, so I thought I'd just go show her the goats. Do you guys want to take the goats out and just let them walk around? Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. That'll be fun. You want to go see the goats? Don't let the buck... Well, I guess it doesn't matter, but...
Poor Braveheart.
Why?
He's grabbing heads.
Did you get some hay? Moonbeam hopped in with the chickens. Hey, sweeties. Hey. Come on. I just love that I've had my goats.
A different kind of blade.
Oh yeah, I wanted Daddy to see if it helped the chickens. I love that I've had my goats long enough that they kind of know the routine, and when the walk's over, they just come back to the barn. It makes it more fun to take them out and get them healthy food and browse when you know you're not gonna have to be chasing goats.
Good.
Did you have success at the feed store?
Yeah, we did. They don't have goat pregnancy tests,
Oh.
which is not a surprise to me.
Okay, you know who does? Amazon.
Oh yeah.
You know, just
have everything.
yeah. Here I am trying to shop local, but you know, Amazon for the win when you can't. So yeah, it was fun that we got to spend some time with her too, huh?
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet.
Mouse.
Did you find those?
Yeah.
For your mommy?
Yeah.
You're the sweetest boy. Do you know what they're called?
Yeah.
What are they called?
I don't know.
Crocuses. They're crocuses.
She just gave me $3 extra.
Whoa. So how much did you get paid all together for 5 chicks?
$20.
Whoa. So you ready to unplug this? Let's unplug it. I don't think these ones are gonna hatch. And we can look inside later.
Yeah.
And we'll just see what's going on in there. If they were fertilized, if they weren't.
Smell?
Bye, babies.
Mom, what's that smell?
Granola. Homemade granola. It's right here. It's homemade granola. Crock pot granola. Get a stool.
Well, I need to buy some more eggs and hatch her out some duck eggs.
Yeah, unless ours start hatching, and then you can just save your 20. Yep. Otherwise, we'll have to buy some hatching eggs. Well, it has been a great morning on the homestead. It's still pretty much morning. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.